Okay, we're here. Indicators do battle. All right, so we got the paper trade battle. I like doing it. It's fun. Paper trade battle. It's gonna be these right here. Let me show you. Let me open this thing up. Project X. This is something else. This is anyway. Project X versus Neuro's RSI. Who is going to win right now? Because we've been doing this. It's been shorting GBP Neither one of these are using. They shouldn't be using any SLs or TP. We're gonna see after. Let's say what's today? After a week, we'll come back Monday, and we're gonna see who is the winner. Who's the winner of the strategy battle? Like, there's nothing else. Okay, there's nothing else taken into consideration. Only the Neuro RSI. Let's see if I can bring it up. Bring it up. Hold up. Let's see if I can show you what part. All right. This is called. I don't know. Don't worry about the graph. I didn't mean to bring that up. I'm trying to bring up the name. It should say. It says top bottom. Well, it's called Neuro's RSI. What? Just type in. I'll give you the name. Jeez. Neuro's RSI. Okay, that's the name. I don't know why they put two different names up here, but whatever. I think it's a great script. Yeah, never mind all of these. This is, but oh, it was. Oh, that's right. I didn't change it to what it's supposed to be. Oh man, wait. I did it off of a different. I can't even remember. I think you know what? I think it was the regular default. I'm trying to figure out why it's was it off of four? No, it was different than that, and I can't remember the setting. Trying to remember what was the setting. No, it's something else I did. Oh no, this is it. Cause it was yes, this is it. Yeah. All right, yeah, Neuro's RSI. This is it. This is it. Neuro's RSI versus Project X, which I won't reveal Project X unless it wins. If it wins, then I'll reveal it. If it doesn't matter, right? So they're going to be going up against each other. They both started at $1 million paper trading. See, both started at $1 million balance, and I think this one's down 48. It's just some of these. Well, yeah, all right, and this one is doing a little better. Well, it has less trade, so but I had to do what it was, whatever it was. It's like whatever it's saying. Like if it's saying short now, buy now. If it doesn't, I don't do anything. That wouldn't be fair. So these are the ones that said something. So you know, we'll see what happens with that. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Maybe I can do yeah. So I'll do another one. Yeah, man, definitely. So follow, subscribe, like, comment, if you have a suggestion, like if you want to see indicator versus another indicator or something like that. If you have ideas. But this is going to be the indicator battle of the century. I'm trying to decide whether it'll be 2 weeks because I want to give it time. Like I really want to give it time, give these things time to kind of do their thing, reverse whatever they got to do. Give them a fair chance. So we're gonna check it after a week, and then see what it maybe after 2 weeks or maybe a week and like a week and a half or something like that. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I mean, it's gonna be interesting to see how this turns out for the battle of the century. Yeah, I check it. I like checking. It's fun. It's fun. Why not? Right? Why not? So was I going to talk about market structure? Or should I do that for another video? Yeah, let's do it for another video. 6 minutes into this, so maybe I'll do another video, kind of breaking down market structure more because in here I have some table that came up with that's kind of help guide you a little more specifically on market structure. So, all right, see you in the next one. Peace.